Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're not new. If you are new, what's good? My name is Sarah and I'm so glad that you decided to spend your quality time here with me today. Happy New Year. It is 2022 and I want to come to you with a different type of video. You make me float. You really get me high. This video is surrounded by vision boarding. So a lot of people create vision boards, people create mood boards, kind of to see what their aesthetic for their business might be like, their social media page might be like. But I want to do a vision board for 2022, and I did one for 2021. If y'all saw my Instagram story on December 31st on New Year's Eve, I went through my vision board on what I accomplished and what I still need to work on, and there's a lot of that. So let's hop right into the video, but make sure you do subscribe and click that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Vision boarding, what is it? What does it do? A vision board is basically a physical piece of paper. This is mine from 2021. A vision board, as you can see, is literally a collage of photos that you want your year to kind of be encompassed by, I think. Basically all your manifestations, your goals, your dreams, everything is put on this piece of cardstock and framed and displayed for the entire year. So I'm going to take you through how to make a vision board as I do my vision board. So y'all will see splices of me doing my vision board, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is what you'll need. You'll need a scissor. You will need a medium, whether that be a regular sheet of paper. That's not a regular sheet of paper. A regular sheet of paper, whether it be cardstock, it's upside down, whether it be cardstock, whether it be a canvas. I watched a video of a woman doing her vision board on a canvas, and she painted it and she pasted photos on it. It looks so amazing. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to do all that, but it can be a canvas. It can literally be just a loosely paper, like college ruled, like it really a notebook page. Like it doesn't have to be fancy. You're also going to be needing like an adherence tool, so like tape or glue or like a thumbtack or something, especially if you're doing it on a cork board. Now is kind of how you do it. How do you create a vision board? How do you make sure that your vision board becomes a reality, your desires become a reality, your dreams become a reality? First off, you're going to want to journal it. So on my phone, I have my phone right here. I wrote notes for today's video, but I also wrote down all of my New Year's resolutions, and I split it into physical, mental, business, journey to MD because I want to become a doctor, spiritual, travel, and financial. I split it up into all these different categories. You can split it up into whatever category you want. If you don't want to travel this year, don't worry about it. If you're good financially, you don't really have to worry about it. And if you don't have any goals financially, that's fine. Don't worry about it, okay? But split it up into sections. I would suggest at least 2 sections, and you're going to want to journal them or bullet point your goals for each category. And I think this is important because it's not all jumbled. You know what you want and you know your intention behind it, and I think that is super important when you're creating a vision board, because you want to have a clear intention, a clear mind, a clear heart when going into it. And so I suggest journaling it out, all of it, your desires. People do scripting. So first journal, and then after journaling, I suggest praying. I pray. You don't have to pray if you don't believe in that, but I suggest you reach out or call out to whichever higher power you believe in, whether it be meditating or manifesting or praying like I do. I suggest that you kind of do some soul work, spirit work, and make sure that you're you know what your intentions are behind all of your desires, and you leave them up to whoever or whatever you believe in. So next, I suggest gathering your photos. So you need to find a medium in which you like saving photos, arranging photos, or what have you. I love Pinterest. That's where I get all my hair ideas, my makeup ideas, my outfit ideas, my that girl ideas. So I literally have a whole board on Pinterest just dedicated to my vision board for 2022. Y'all can see it says Vision 2022. I have a whole vision board for it on here already, and some of these are actually videos. And why I have some video material on here is because this also serves as my vision board. If I'm not home to see this every day, I can see this every day when I'm scrolling through my phone on Pinterest. So I highly suggest that you create a medium, whether it be Instagram. You can create a collection that just says 2022, and you can put all of your photos there, all of your desires, the goals that you want to reach on there. You could do it on Tumblr. I know Tumblr was popular years ago. I don't know if it's still popular, but you could do it there. You could do it on Twitter. You could do it on We Heart It. I know that's a popular platform for aesthetic-y photos. I know that is a very popular platform for that. And it doesn't matter how many or how little photos you have, I just suggest you get at least one from each of your categories that you developed earlier. So once you have all of your photos, print them. It's time to print, baby, print, baby, print. No matter how many or how little you have, print them out, because as I said, your vision board is a physical, hands-on, practical representation of your desires for that year. Print them out, and I suggest that if you are making a vision board, always put the year. Always put the year. So here I have 2021. So make sure you print the year so you know what year it is. You know that these are the things that you want to accomplish in the year. If you want to make a vision board for 5 years from now, by all means do that. If you want to make a vision board for 10 years from now, 2 years from now, by all means. A month, 6 months, 3 months from now, by all means do that. But make sure you have a representation of time when you want to achieve these things and when you want to get them done, because it will hold you accountable to work towards those goals and dreams and resolutions that you have. So once you print them out, you are going to arrange them. And before I actually get to arranging, make sure you kind of scale them on Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Pages, whatever medium you use for, or software you use for like typing stuff. I would suggest scaling those photos so you know, especially if you're doing obviously on a piece of paper or cork or a canvas, that you know you're not taking up too much space with huge photos, so you can fit everything that you want. And then after you are obviously going to cut them, this is probably the second most time consuming part. I would say put a lot of time into journaling and really having clear intentions about what you want to achieve. But I think that cutting your photos takes a long time. Cutting is not easy. Even if it's just one picture per page, you probably have so many pages. So I suggest taking the time, watching a TV show, or if you are kind of still in that calm state, just continuing with your calm music, your tea girlfriend. Like, after you cut them, arrange them in the medium. Make sure you overlap them so there are no spaces. Make sure you like them. Make sure you like a picture next to another picture or in between two pictures. If you want it aesthetically pleasing, obviously arrange them by color, or certain color families go together. Some people are not like that specific, but I like mine to have like y'all can see, like this has like a brown, and then I have like yellow golden, and then I have like pink over here. Arrange them, make sure they look cool, Make sure they look like cute, neat, because you want it to be visually appealing as well. So after that, tape it down or glue it down or tack it down, and you're good to go. And you're left with a stunning vision board for the year. And you want to make it aesthetically pleasing because you're looking at it every day. If it's not aesthetically pleasing, it's not going to motivate you to really work towards your goals seriously. So lastly, I want to debunk some myths about vision board manifesting, about kind of like this culture that we have now about, you know, like living our best life and, you know, being flown out and all this stuff. And I think that it is a great mentality to have. I think that, you know, the abundance mindset is definitely where I want to be more. But with that also comes some myths that need to be debunked, and I'm going to get right into them right now. So the first myth that I want to debunk is not really a myth, it's just a trend that I've been seeing. Just highs, just all straight highs. People have been, you know, especially for the past week, posting their 2021 recaps. You know, they're on vacation or they're getting engaged, and all of that is good. And I'm not saying, I'm not trying to trash them or shade them or anything like that. All of that is good. But then in the captions they'll say, oh, it was one roller coaster ride, or it was a, you know, time filled with highs and lows and things like that. And as a creator myself, I want to show the most authentic, be the most authentic version of myself. If I had a bad day, I might film it. And people might think like, some people don't want to film it, and I get that. I do get that. And I appreciate them for being real in their caption. But at the same time, it kind of gives a flawed perception. So this vision board is not solving all of your problems. You are still going to experience lows. You still are going to wonder if you are enough for whatever job you want, or for whatever next step you're taking in your life. And you are going to consistently have doubt, but that takes work. That takes inner work. That takes tenacity and determination. I think also that your vision board doesn't do anything. It's paper, boo-boo. It's paper. It's literally, it can be folded, it can be ripped. You need to work hard to achieve all the dreams that you have on your vision board. And I think a lot of people say, yo, like, this vision board works and blah, blah, blah. But you have to work hard. It's not just hoping, it's not just wishing. You have to have faith, but you also have to work. And it takes time and it takes effort. I'm just gonna be straight up transparent with you right now. I had this goal for 2021. I wanted packages to be out of here. I wanted to do a restock. I wanted to add more lashes to my business collection. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, like, none of that happened. But it's because I did not post all year. I didn't post all year. I did a little pop-in in November, and that was it. So my camera is about to die, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you do make a vision board. I would love to hear some of the goals that you're willing to share for 2022. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload. But I hope you guys have a great, blessed, abundant, prosperous, travel-filled, money-filled 2022. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.